today I'm presenting to you is the Wow 395 Wow. It is the model called 395 Wow. It's a brand new 2025 Cedar Creek 395 Wow. It isn't a wow factor, folks. It's a high end. It is high end. I'm feeling myself in Dubai Bling. So fancy. Look, this nice furnitures. Amazing of counter space. They give me office. I have a full office if I want it. There's one 10 plug here, a USB plug. I could put my laptop here, working while I'm watching the game, working when I'm talking to my wife. She's prepping the food. Or if I don't work on this desk, hey, the kids could sit here waiting for their mom to fix up some plates. And I could use it as a really nice counter serving food, a nice dining area. So multiple things. First thing, I could use it as the office. Number two, I could use it as kitchen countertop while the wife's prepping the food. Number three, I could use it as a dinette. I could sit two people on it and serve them food and eat there. So I could sit. Behind me, as you see, there's a bench and two chairs and a beautiful dining area, beautiful dining table with a salon service behind it. So I could sit four people in the back sitting and eating, additional two people here eating. So it's amazing. I mean, I don't know how to say it in English. I don't know how to say it in a simple word. This is a wow factor. Fifth one. It is huge. Look, here is beautiful. Look, all this cabinets. The lady, when she sat by the sink, she's not staring to a wall. She's staring to a beautiful window where she could see the nice view. You have two layers, daytime. There's another one, nighttime. There's shelves all over the top. Nice finishing. It's like nice custom kitchen with LED light. I'm really impressed. The who designed this floor plan, he's a genius. He's giving the customer everything they need in a high-end home, high-end kitchen, high-end living room, high-end breakfast nook. It's all right there. It's amazing. All these, doors with the self-closing. Another place for your trash can here. But there's another one over there by the stove, so you could put two trash cans. Another chemical tray, I call it, or windows, or whatever I want to put on it. And then you have more doors here. And look, you have three on the right, three on the left. You have a nice prepping area to the right of the sink, nice prepping area to the left of the sink. Each prepping area has a light and 110 light, 110 plugs. And now you say, oh, okay, I got all this storage. Where's my pantry? Hey, come in. Come look. A beautiful pantry with solid wood and dovetail cabinet. I could put my cooking pan easy to get in. And then you're going to say, now, where's my place for my coffee maker? Voila, I could put a nice coffee maker here. And there's even 110 plug. Another cabinet, I could put all my coffee materials here if I want to. It's amazing. And then when you come to the dinette, you have a nice beautiful bench with a silver door. Two people sit here. This is expandable. Two people sit here. Two people sit on the counter. I don't know. I'm speechless, folks. I'm really speechless. And then you come here, you have a 4-door refrigerator with an ice maker, another freezer, 2-door freezer, 2-door for fridge. Beautiful microwave 30-inch in the middle with a nice glass cabinet on both sides, and they're deep. Come on, come look. And then you have a big storage over the microwave. Let me just close this door. And then you have a custom pull-out trash can, cutting board. Look at it. So I could put it here, my cutting board, my knives right there. I put my cutting board here. I open my trash can, place for even the trash, the roll of the trash can bag. I pull, I chop, scoop it. They come in the trash can. I don't make mess. More doors, spice rack, silverware. Dishes. You name it. And look, just the backsplash. It's a high end. It's like one of those houses in Dubai Blink. Fancy. I'm fascinated with this unit. That's the reason why they call it 395 wow. It is a wow factor. Look at it. This is proof for you. And also here, you can put your books. This is like those fancy houses. They have that island in the middle. Books, you name it. Cooking books you could do. And then you could sit here. Look, I'm sitting here watching the TV. Sitting here, I could watch the TV. And then I have a pull-up pantry, hidden pantry. All the shelves. I mean, I don't know what you're going to fill with this unit. There's so much shelf, so much cabinet. Nice, solid service shelf in here with USB plug, 110. And you could put any like decorations. Look, beautiful, solid cabinet. I like the color of the dark cabinet, light countertop, beige linoleum. The furniture look like a house. It is house residential furniture, not an RV. Come with a 200 watt solar panel. As you see, the controller, a touch screen, everything I could do. Look, watch. Oh, light. Dip, 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 dip. I could play with the light. I could go on all. A ceiling fan. And then come into the bedroom. Beautiful king size bed with shelf. Very roomy. Look my height. No issue. You're not gonna hit your head in the bedroom. Shelf for the plug, USB, the storage underneath the bed for blanket, sheets, pillows, fireplace as a heaters, furnace as a heaters. You have another heater here, electric, in the bedroom, TV facing the king size bed. Ladies, you have place to put your jewelry or makeup, counter space. No worries on closet. I could stand inside this closet, so roomy. It has a shelf. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All come with all the plugs and the central vacuum and central heat loaded. It's amazing, guys. And then coming over here, this is gonna sell the unit. His and her bathroom. Solid service, modern sink with a modern slope of the granite, and a medicine cabinet for only his and 2 for her. This is for her. 2. You get only 1. Beautiful. I mean, towel rack, porcelain toilet. This shower, I could get it in both ways, this way or that way if I wanted. And then I have a seat, a folding seat, very modern. Ladies can do their business. 1 piece solid, 1, 2, 3, 4. The water coming from. No issue for the skylight and the height. Very roomy. Oh, amazing. Look how many doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors. Cabinet on the side. Oh, look how this slick. Place for toilet paper. And a sensor light. So if I turn the light off, I have, like they said, watch. Ceiling. If I'm in the dark at night, I could see what I'm stepping on. And then I have ASIN lighted also. And then you don't have to yell screaming. You have cabinet for towels. I mean, this bathroom speaks for itself. And come this way. I mean, look how beautiful. Another coat hangers. I mean, it's impressive. I'm really impressed. I mean, the Cedar Creek team really, they made it right in this floor plan. Plenty kitchen, plenty counter space, a lot of windows, a lot of cabinet, a lot of storage, roomy, and you have everything. You have office, countertop, dinette, you have seating, hide bed, prep area around the stove, prep area around both sides of the stove, prep area in the kitchen, closets, to the ceiling even, a big vanity. You name it, it's all you have in this. No wonder why Cedar Creek, they call this floor plan 395 wow. It is a wow factor. King size bed, 2 vanity in the bathroom, you name it. Come to Best RV and look at the beautiful 2025 Cedar Creek 395 wow.